How to use a Reolink GO PT with Verizon. Step 1. Purchase eiotclub triple play SIM card directly or from Amazon. Step 2 and 3. Enter ICCID info into the recharge page. sim.eiotclub.com. Contact support and request the SIM use the Verizon network. They will email you back from China when the card is set up on Verizon. Step 4. Insert the SIM into your phone. Check the mobile network settings. Enable data roaming. This is specific for your phone type. Step 5. Micro SD card in PC. Format FAT32. Create new .text file. Enter the following. APN equals mobile. Username equals. Password equals. Save file as my_custom_APN. Step 6. Insert SD card into Reolink camera. Insert SIM card into Reolink camera. Power on and reset Reolink camera. You should get the following results.
APN settings has been imported successfully. Network connection successful.